Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. So today is our third part of the Fractal Indicator and Moving Average series, alright? And this is our last part, okay? We had decided that we would make a profit of $5,000 in our real account. Alright, so today we will complete this. Okay, so let's start with our Fractal Indicator. I've kept the same period of 3 for the fractal, just like in the previous video. All the settings are the same. And for the moving average in the style, I've kept it the same, white color and 3 pixels. And for the second moving average, I've set it to a period of 7 and used purple color with 3 pixels. Alright, so our indicator settings are exactly the same as we did in the previous video. Alright, okay, so now we'll understand the concept here properly, and our entire concept about the fractal indicator and moving average will be completely clear. So first, let me show you here. I've opened a 30-second time frame here. Okay, now we'll take our trade here. Alright, so first I'll analyze that the chart here isn't moving well. So we've opened another chart, USD CAD. Okay, so if we see an opportunity here, I'll take a trade. Okay, otherwise we'll change the chart here. Okay, so let's change the chart here. So I've changed the chart here and I found an upward trade opportunity. Alright, I'll explain to you why I placed a buy trade here. I'll place a buy trade here within 9 seconds. Alright, and if we look here, we can see a strong uptrend. Alright, the candles are continuously moving upwards. It's clearly a bullish trend and the price is continuously making higher highs and higher lows. Alright, and if we look at the moving averages, we also get confirmation here. The white line, which is the short-term moving average, is above the pink line, which is the long-term moving average. Both lines are sloping upwards. So what are we seeing here? Here we can see strong bullish momentum. And if we look here, the price is above both moving averages, with the current green candles closing above both moving averages. This confirms that the trend is still strong. We also got confirmation here from the fractal. Earlier, a green fractal arrow appeared below, which was a reversal confirmation point, but after that, the candles have been steadily moving upwards. After the fractal, there has been a consistent uptrend. That's why we got confirmation here that in the short term, the market will remain bullish, and our trade here has been a win. We have booked a profit of $915. Okay, hopefully you are understanding the concept. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments. Okay, so here we have changed the chart, and if you look at the previous move, there was a strong downtrend. Alright, there were quite a few large red candles at first. The price dropped sharply. The market entered the oversold zone. When there are continuous red candles, a short-term pullback usually occurs. Alright, and if you look at the support level confirmation, the price is touching a support area around 104.445 below. The previous candles also bounced from this level. This could be a strong demand zone, and at the time of entry, a green candle has formed with a long, lower wick. Buyers pushed the price up from below. This candle shows rejection. Alright, that means sellers are getting weak and buyers are entering the market. And if we look at the moving average here, the white short-term moving average line has started to flatten out or curve slightly upward from below. This is an early signal that the price will pull back a little. Alright, there will be a short-term reversal here. And lastly, we also got confirmation here from the fractal indicator. Below, the green fractal arrow is showing, which gives a potential upward reversal signal. Alright, so based on all of these, we took the trade and our trade has won here. And we have booked a profit of $1,536 here. Here we have completed the $5,000 task. Okay, so see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching.